Finding the right camera drone can be challenging. Limited flight time, unstable video, weak motors, and poor obstacle detection often ruin aerial shots. That's why modern 8K camera drones are becoming so popular. They deliver sharper video, smoother stabilization, smarter obstacle avoidance, and longer flight performance. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best 8K camera drones you can buy right now. These drones are powerful, portable, and perfect for travel, aerial photography, and cinematic videos. We researched real user reviews and online ratings to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. New S2S 8K Drone 8K Professional Dual Camera. The new S2S 8K drone is a foldable quadcopter designed for beginners and casual aerial photographers. It features an 8K HD dual camera system that captures wide aerial shots and smooth video footage. The brushless motor improves stability and reduces noise while flying. Built-in obstacle avoidance helps prevent crashes, making it easier for new pilots to fly safely. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry for travel or outdoor adventures. With Wi-Fi FPV transmission, you can see the live camera feed directly on your smartphone. For the price, this drone offers great value for learning aerial photography. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro MAX 8K Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro MAX is a feature-packed drone built for smoother aerial control and better image stability. It supports 8K video capture and includes optical flow positioning for improved hovering accuracy. The 3-sided obstacle avoidance system helps detect obstacles while flying forward or sideways, adding extra safety during flight. ESC brushless motors provide strong power and stable performance even in light wind conditions. The drone folds into a compact size for easy transport and quick setup. With smooth FPV video transmission and responsive controls, this model is great for capturing cinematic aerial shots. Number 3. 2025 V168 Pro MAX GPS 8K Drone. The V168 Pro MAX GPS drone is designed for users who want stronger flight control and smart navigation features. It supports 8K aerial photography with a high-definition camera and smooth 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. The built-in GPS system improves positioning accuracy and enables intelligent flight modes like return to home. A 360-degree obstacle avoidance system helps the drone detect objects in multiple directions for safer flying. Brushless motors deliver powerful lift and longer lifespan compared to standard motors. The large-screen remote controller provides real-time flight information, making it easier to monitor and control your drone. Number 2. S156 8K Camera Drone with Screen Controller. The S156 8K camera drone combines strong performance with user-friendly controls. It features an 8K professional camera capable of capturing detailed aerial photos and smooth cinematic footage. The drone supports 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission for low-latency video streaming to the controller. One standout feature is the 4.5-inch large-screen remote control, allowing pilots to view the live camera feed without needing a smartphone. Stable hovering and responsive controls make it suitable for both beginners and experienced drone users. With its foldable design and reliable flight performance, it's an excellent drone for outdoor filming and travel. Number 1. 2026 K18 Max 8K Camera Drone. The K18 Max 8K drone is the most advanced and powerful drone on this list. It features an 8K panoramic camera capable of capturing wide cinematic aerial shots with impressive clarity. The built-in 360-degree obstacle avoidance system helps detect obstacles from all directions, greatly improving flight safety. With GPS positioning and intelligent flight modes, the drone maintains stable hovering and accurate navigation. Brushless motors provide strong power and quieter operation. The included screen remote controller makes real-time monitoring simple and convenient. For aerial photography, travel videos, or content creation, the K18 Max delivers excellent performance. 8K camera drones make aerial photography easier and more exciting than ever. These 5 drones offer powerful cameras, smart obstacle avoidance, and portable designs for travel or outdoor filming. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, there's a great option on this list. Which drone do you like the most? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.